Toor dal Obbattu or Puran Poli. Take a bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. Add 1 cup of semolina or chiroti rava. Add a pinch of turmeric powder. Add a pinch of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of refined oil. Mix well. Add required water. Knead well until to get puri consistency. Keep it in a container. And pour required refined oil over the dough. And soak about 1 to 2 hours for fermentation. Now heat a vessel. Add 3 glasses of water. Add 1 cup of toor dal. Close the lid. Cook till it blossoms and not mushy. Drain all the water and collect it in a bowl. Use this toor dal water for making Obbatu saru or rasam. Now, switch on the flame. Take cooked toor dal. Add 1 cup of crushed jaggery. Add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Mix well. Cook the mixture till the jaggery has become molten and has combined well with the dal. Add 3 crushed cardamom. Stir well. Switch off the flame. Keep it for cooling. Now take a jar. Add dal mixture. Grind it to make a fine paste. Transfer toor dal sweet filling to a bowl. Take out the dough and transfer it to a bowl. Knead well using your palm until dough becomes soft. Take the sweet filling and make medium-sized balls out of it. Best smear half teaspoon of refined oil on butter paper. Now take the lemon size of dough. Keep it on greased butter paper and spread it lightly. Place sweet filling ball in the center of the dough. Cover the filling completely with the dough by lifting its edges. Squeeze out extra dough. Spread the dough into a thin Obbatu using your fingers or a rolling pin. Heat a griddle. Pour half teaspoon of refined oil. Place the rolled out Obbatu onto the griddle. Sprinkle half teaspoon of refined oil. Flip the Obbatu. Fry both the sides in medium flame till Obbatu cooks with golden brown spots. Transfer to a plate. Ugadi special Toor dal Obbattu or Puran Poli is ready to serve with ghee or milk. For more variety videos, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit our website www.rightclickcreations.com. Thank you.